Welcome to day 89 of me backtesting my way to success. First trade was a win, and the reasons why I entered were this 4-hour order block that you can see right here, then this consolidation and impulsively moved away from it. It really looked like AMD cycle to me right here. And also because, and that's the reason why I entered on a impulsive move away from the order block, because there was also like it took out, of course, the low that was made from the consolidation, which also matched with this liquidity area. And I entered on this impulsive move right here, that you can see. And my stop loss was placed below the family gap with a little breathing room right here. Take profits were at the volume area with a little breathing room to the downside, so I placed it a bit below it in case it reacted with it without touching it. And my second TP was at the consolidation high, since AMD cycle, since it goes like that. So let's just see how the next trade goes. Okay, so next trade was a loss, and the trade after that was a win and a break even because I was stupid, and at that should have been 2 wins, at least for the second trade. I mean, the first one was okay. Let's just analyze it. So what did we have here? Right here, consolidation, as you can see. Then an impulsive move away from it. I used the equilibrium in the 4-hour from the swing high to the swing low. Then I saw this volume area. I saw this 4-hour value gap. Then there's a 3-hour order block right here. And as you can see, there's a strong volume area right here. That's why I entered on the first trade with the fair value gap, with the strong volume area and equilibrium, because sometimes price just reverses above the 50% mark, so the equilibrium, and doesn't go into the golden zone. And I entered on the impulsive move that you can clearly see right here, this impulsive move, and then I entered, of course, since I thought this was a good, well, at least a decent decision. I placed my stop loss above the volume area, and not the volume area, above the golden zone, since I thought that might be a possibility for price to reverse to. However, I didn't place it above the volume area that you can see right here, because my stop loss would have been really, really, really huge. And I didn't want that. So first trade, I got stopped out almost instantly after it consolidated once again in the 1 hours, as you can see right here. My take profits were, by the way, at the, I think it was this area of liquidity and the swing low. Next trade was again, consolidation or accumulation, manipulation into the 3-hour order block into the volume area, and then on a really good impulsive, even 2 good impulsive movements that you can see right here and right here, I entered stop loss above it with a little breathing room. Take profits were at the consolidation low with a little breathing room to the downside because of this strong volume area. So we had the AMD cycle, then we had the volume area, 3-hour order block, and my second take profit was at the swing low, of course. And what did my oh my god, what did my ass do after my first TP was hit? Yeah, right, I didn't think about it and just did the usual, which was after first TP hit, move the stop loss to break even. However, after a distribution, usually it doesn't suddenly spike into the opposite direction. I mean, it did right here, but like not in the, I mean, like it doesn't like completely shoot up and suddenly it's like, suddenly that's the consolidation, and then the distribution, the original distribution phase was actually the manipulation. At least I've not seen that yet. And so, yeah, it just retraced a little, and then went down to take my second TP, but I got stopped out because I was really stupid. It kind of annoys me that I just lost that I didn't get my second TP hit because of impatience. And well, like I said, first trade was lost because of impatience, since I didn't want to wait for price to go into the order block and into the golden zone and react with the small volume area. Well, small, I mean, decently small. And yeah, that's already it for today's episode. We'll see you on the next one.